Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a brand new video and it's going to be an unboxing of my sample source. So I've done these videos for a while now. I think it's probably been like 3 or 4 years. So for those that don't know, I love free things. I like to spend my money on like clothes, makeup, trips. I don't really like to spend a lot of money on essentials, so that's why I really like getting samples and I really like getting coupons as well. So Samplesource is like a sample box that you can get 2 times a year, and there is lots of amazing stuff in here. So you should definitely sign up if you haven't. It is available in the US and in Canada. So this is the Canadian spring box. So I'm just gonna jump right in. So the very first thing that I received are these Temptations cat treats. So my cat will be very excited for that. Sometimes I find in these boxes, all you seem to get are things that benefit your animals. The next thing I got is this fluoride-free toothpaste. So whiter in 3 days. So this would be good for traveling if we're ever allowed to travel again. The next thing is this OxiClean Versatile Stain and Odor Remover. There's a coupon for $1.50 off, which is great. The next thing I got is this Atkins Chocolatey Peanut Butter Bar, so that should be kind of good. I find even though I'm working from home, like sometimes I just get so distracted doing work that I don't grab any food, or I realize that it's been a few hours since I ate, so I'm really appreciative of bars. I feel like now I should be meal planning more than ever. I also got this Cashew Chocolate Peanut Butter Bar. I'm a huge fan of cashew bars. I think they're really good. They're kind of pricey, but I find they leave me really full and they taste really good. I also got some Batiste dry shampoo, which is great because I totally need some dry shampoo right now. The next thing I got was another bar. So it's this Special K Nourish Dark Chocolate Chunks and Almond Bar. So I've had these before. They're pretty tasty. I like them. The next thing I got were some OB tampons. So I might actually donate these because I'm not a huge fan of OB. I prefer other kinds. And the next thing I got, and this is amazing, is I got a coupon for oat milk, which is awesome because if you guys don't know, I absolutely love oat milk. You probably wouldn't know that. But I really like it. I'm vegetarian and I don't drink like cow's milk. So I think out of like almond, soy, coconut milk, oat milk would be my favorite. So I'm really excited that I have this, and it's good till October 31st. So fingers crossed the pandemic will be over by then. I also got as well this little sampler, and it's the Nescafe Gold, so it's the coffee shop, and it comes with the 1 espresso, 1 cappuccino, and 1 Columbia. My mom is obsessed right now with the mocha one of these, which is like the cappuccino one, and she said it's really good, so I want to try this, and I think there's a coupon inside, so I don't know how much the coupon's for, but that's really exciting because I find now like I'm not going out for coffee, and it's better just to have some kicking around. I also got this bistro bowl, and this has like tuna and rice in it. I don't know, maybe I'll try it. I'll try it to see if I like it, but I'm kind of like iffy. I want to eat fish right now. The next thing, oh, this is just a little infographic about Batiste, how to use it. Let's see, the next thing, just another $1 off of the toothpaste. And is that everything? No, I have a few more coupons. For, I guess this bistro bowl I got was Spanish medley. And this also came with like a $1 coupon for this. There is $1.50 off some of the Atkins products. There's also as well, this is interesting and I'm excited to try this. So it is valid for one base oil plant-based brick. So it is plant-based base oil products. I thought they were plant-based anyway, but I'll have to investigate that. But I'm really excited to try that. I didn't know about it and it's a new product. So that was everything I got in my sample source for spring 2020. There were some different products. Like I find usually I get a little bit more pet food or like moisturizers and stuff like that. So I didn't get as much. But I think I got some nice stuff of what I did get, and any kind of savings or samples always helps because, like I said, I like to spend my money on more, I guess, irresponsible things. So let me know if you guys got your sample source and what you thought. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys all continue to stay safe during this time. And thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.